dan Dewan Juri yang kami hormati, inilah peserta dengan nomor undian 11. Peserta dengan nomor undian 11 akan membawakan lagu wajib Generasi Kristus dalam Dunia, ciptaan dan aransemen Yafet Palebangan dengan nada dasar Do sama dengan F, dan lagu pilihan Witness, ciptaan tradisional spiritual aransemen Jack Halloran dengan nada dasar Do sama dengan A. Peserta dengan nomor undian 11 dengan dirigen Fatrian William. Inilah penampilan dari peserta dengan nomor undian 11. Dan sebelum memulai untuk menyanyi, kami mohon dimulai saat kendaraan di luar sudah habis. Terima kasih.
Persekutuan Pemuda Gereja Toraja, generasi Kristus dalam dunia, bangun kehidupan dan karya dalam persekutuan iman pada Kristus. Persekutuan Pemuda Gereja Toraja, generasi Kristus dalam dunia. must be born again.
He said, my
When
fellow,
thou went, if you
be
want
wise, prepare.
believe and be baptized.
Then you will be a witness for my Lord. You will be a witness for my Lord. You will be a witness for my Lord. Saul is a witness for my Lord. You read about Samson. From his birth he was the strongest man that ever lived on earth. When younger and since lives, he killed 10,000 of the Philistines. There was Samson when I went about. Samson's strength was never gone out. Then his wife said upon his knees, he said, "Can you listen as if you please?" Well, Samson's wife, she was so fair. Samson said,
Oh my hand,
"Daddy,
my hand is in your hand, and my strength will come like a natural man.
Samson is a witness for my Lord. Samson is a witness for my Lord. Samson is a witness for my Lord. Saul is a witness for my Lord. There's another witness, another witness, another witness, another witness, another witness, another witness for my Lord. My soul is a witness for my Lord.
Ya, demikianlah penampilan dari peserta dengan nomor undian 6. You'll be the witness for our Lord. Kita semua akan selalu menjadi saksi bagi Tuhan, selalu menjadi teladan dimanapun kita berada. Demikian pujian dari peserta dengan nomor